I, Pleader Javed Ali, Selro, High Court. Once again, I am in front of you viewers to share my knowledge of the studies. Today, just I think it is very much essential about my views that how to deliver, how to catch, how to gain, how to save. This all the things, whatever reading from the book. So kindly listen it. It is very much useful for you all viewers. This is all about the Constitution of Pakistan 1973, the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Constitution of Pakistan 1973. So previously I also little bit mentioned about the Constitution, and I suggested I also assist that I will telling you about the Preamble of Constitution of Pakistan 1973. So it is once again I would like to do it for you, and today just I think that why not we should have to read it from the authentic book of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973. Although I have remember, if I will share my knowledge, it is about my views, that how I understand, how I know about the Constitution. So just I deliver all the things to viewers is per my knowledge. Just I today think so that why not I should have to deliver this thing from the textbook of the Constitution. It should be the essential, it should be the authentical knowledge, because whatever the word, even a single word is very important from this very best book of Pakistan, the mother of all the laws, Constitution of Pakistan 1973. So today I just think so, and I would like to deliver from the book of Constitution of Pakistan, and word to word I would like to share about the preamble of Constitution of Pakistan 1973. So let's come. I previously noted you that when it was passed and when it was enforced in the Pakistan. Now it is, we are coming about the preamble. We are coming to preamble. That what is preamble of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973. So let's come and enjoy and get a knowledge from the textbook of the Constitution. I know about this, but I would like to just share the thing which should be the essential, because each and every word which is written in the Constitution book, it should be the best for you all viewers. So kindly listen it. It is very useful, and also it is very authentic knowledge for you all, also for me. So I would like to share. It is all about the preamble of Constitution of Pakistan 1973. That, careful, I already mentioned that whatever written in the Constitution of Pakistan book, I would like to share word to word knowledge to you viewers. That this is also written, and this is all orders, all rules, all policies, all whatever the book I would like to share. I would like to deliver all the things before you. It's about preamble. That whereas sovereignty over the entire universe belongs to Almighty Allah once, and the authority to be exercised by the people of Pakistan within the limits prescribed by him is a sacred trust. Well, and whereas it is the will of the people of Pakistan to establish an order. This is also about the Constitution, wherein the state, it is about the state, whereas the state shall be exercise its powers and authority through the chosen representatives of the people. It is about the state. And furthermore, wherein the principles of democracy, now we are coming before the democracy. Once we move about the state, and once we move about the people of Pakistan, now we are coming before the democracy. It is also written in the Constitution, wherein the state shall exercise its powers and authority through the chosen representatives of the Pakistan. I already mentioned it. Now go through. Wherein the principles of democracy, freedom, whereas the principle of democracy, what are they? Freedom, equality. I see here, because this here is written. I would like to just authentic giving you the knowledge which is present in the Constitution of Pakistan book. What is number one is in democracy: freedom, equality, tolerance, and social justice is enunciated by Islam shall be fully observed. Well, further, wherein the Muslims shall be enabled to order their lives in the individual and collective spheres in accordance with the teaching and requirements of Islam is set out in the Holy Quran and Sunnah. It is about the Muslim which are present in the Pakistan who possess the nationality, because this constitution also passed for all the Pakistan, enforced in all the Pakistan. What is present in the Pakistan, what is present in the constitution, it is all about the all citizens of Pakistan wherever they are. So it is about the preamble. Now further, where an adequate provision shall be made for the minorities. Once we read about the Muslims, now we are reading about the minorities, because in Pakistan, in our best country, here are the minorities also, because there are much more religions or religious are also present here. So it is about the minorities, wherein adequate provision shall be made for the minorities that freely to profess and practice their religious and develop their cultures. Here is also not a boundaries, here is also a freedom, here is also for the minorities, here is also freedom, because they are also Pakistani. So that this is also written in the Constitution book 1973. Further, wherein the territories now included in are in occasions with Pakistan and such other territories as may hereafter be included in or accede to Pakistan shall from free federation, wherein the units will be autonomous with such boundaries and limitation on their powers and authority as may be prescribed. This is constitution also. Wherein shall be guaranteed fundamental rights. Here discussion about the fundamental rights. This is guaranteed. Wherein shall be guaranteed fundamental rights including equality of status. There is equality of the status in the fundamental rights, of opportunity and before law. This is also before the law, because equality of the status in law, in Pakistan law. Social economics and political justice and freedom of thought, expression, belief, faith, worship and association subject to law and public morality. This is all about the constitution. This is all about Pakistanis. This is also the freedom, fundamental rights, which is also present in the constitution. This is another thing I would like to share once about this, about the fundamental rights. Now this is just a preamble. So here's all the things in just a short form. I would like to just share. So listen it again. This is constitution. Where adequate provision shall be made to safeguard the legitimate interest of minorities and backward and depressed classes, wherein the independence of the judiciary shall be fully secured. Alhamdulillah, I am advocate. Wherein the integrity of the territories of the federation, its independence and all its rights, including its sovereign rights on land, sea and air, shall be safeguarded. Whatever the properties here, they are present at the sea, they are present at the whatever the areas, they are also safeguarded by the constitution. This is also written in the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 in the preamble. So in definition classes, this is also defined also. So this is just introduction in the preamble, so I would like to just share so that you should have to get a knowledge, get an information about the constitution. Being a Pakistani, we must aware about the constitution knowledge. Well, further, so that the people of Pakistan may prosper, attain their rightful and honored place amongst the nations of the world, and make their full contribution towards international peace and progress and happiness of humanity. This is also very good and very fruitful for we Pakistanis. Constitution is very best, written in a shape of fruit, really. If it shall be implicated in the Pakistan, if I say if it shall be implicated in the Pakistan, there shall no any kind of the terror, no any kind of the disturbance, no any kind of the violence. It shall be the fully, and so that the people of Pakistan may prosper and attain their rightful and honored place amongst the nations of the world, and make their full contribution towards international peace and progress and happiness of humanity. This is also the very best for the Pakistanis. This is also present in the constitution. I also addresses you that word by word I would like to deliver from the constitution book. It is not my own words. It is written in the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 book. Furthermore, here is written about the constitution. Now, therefore, we the people of Pakistan, conscious of our responsibility before Almighty Allah and men of Pakistan faithful to the declaration made by the founder of Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, that Pakistan would be a democratic state based on Islamic principle of social justice. It is all about this. These lines are about the founder of Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Furthermore, dedicated to the preservation of democracy achieved by the unremitting struggle of the people against oppression and tyranny. Further, inspired by the resolve to protect our national and political unity and solidarity by creating and egalitarian society through a new order, do hereby through our representatives in the National Assembly adopt, enact and give to ourselves this constitution. I read it. This is the constitution, book of constitution. I read out the preamble of Constitution of Pakistan, Islamic Republic of Pakistan 1973. And it was all about the preamble. Hope so you all understand. It is word by word from the constitution. I didn't share my knowledge, whatever I have read it from the constitution, and I just make my own words. I just only think so that I just share word by word from the constitution. It should be the essential, should be the cognizable, so that I do so. And furthermore, just wait for the next session from the constitution about the articles. Furthermore, I will tell you about the articles, and till today it is enough for so have a good day. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you.